Hey y'all, what is up everybody? What is up YouTube? Sparky Marky and I'm back to do a review and unboxing of a certain item that I got here during Black Friday. It's been a while though. It's been like about 2 weeks or so. So yeah, enough chit chat, let's take a look and see what's inside that I got from Macy's during the Black Friday sale. Like right now, let's go! Alrighty folks, so here's the watch we're going to be looking at, the way I was packaged and everything. Here it is, the A168WG-9MV. Here's how it opens, and here it is. It comes in a nice watch stand. Module number 3298. Part of their Casio vintage lines, going back many years of early days of digital watch from 1974. And it's gold. You know, you got your basic silver versions. There have been a number of variations. Oh, what are the odds on that of this thing ever being locked up in here? They locked it pretty good, I have to say so. Well, I'll just show you a quick glance of what I can show you or not. So yeah, this was protecting that you saw earlier. So this is how they do their delivery. So A+ on that. It's a shame I have to cut it if I couldn't put it back. So A+ on the packaging. The way how they deliver things when people order from Macy's as well. A+ on that. So out with the watch. Okay. We're showing the function, the bracelet itself. Okie dokie. Okay, so module number 3298, and then there's Casio and everything. More of the goldness. You got gold buttons, gold face, black letterings in there, electroluminescent. You got your alarm. There. So you got just alarm, your stopwatch, no split. Press that, you press the yellow backlight to erase. All your basic functions are in here. I wish there was a timer like the earlier Casio models. Too bad you can't always get what you want. At the end of this video, you're going to see much brighter electroluminescent. So this particular was released on June 9th of 2012, a month after the release of MCU's Marvel's Avengers was released. You're going to need to use a tool to open it, but be very careful how you use it. And this has the similarity belt feature that was in the Pac-Man. You could adjust this however you like. Well, I'll just give a demonstration how it could look on a Sparky wrist, but let's see how it looks flat on a table. And I believe I might have seen this watch in the wrist of Dick Warlock, who played Michael Myers in Halloween 2. He did wear a Casio Databank watch, which was a electroluminescent backlight version in 2012, and I believe he wore this one as well. You can tell. Okay. Okay, so let's see how it looks on the Sparky wrist. So yeah, it has the similarity feature feel on the clasps, like the one from the Pac-Man that we got years later. So this is how it looks on my wrist. I could adjust if I want to, it's my choice, but I could either wear it or not wear it, or maybe I could wear it on different occasions. The heck? And also, I believe this particular one was worn by Chris from 3C Films. I believe he could have wore a watch like this. You could see what's on his wrist, but it's definitely a Casio watch, gold. Hold on, folks. Okay, now I'm taking it off. Let me see how it looks flat. You already saw it on one side of the table. Now you get to see it on this. Magnificent timepiece. Even it's related to, of course, many years ago of the very first digital watch. And it's 80s, current over the years. I'm pretty sure you may have seen it on other people's wrists. And among other things, folks, which was your very first Casio watch that you got when you were young, or who gave it to you, or what was the first time you've heard of the brand name? So yeah, it's two details, by the way. Hold on. Oof, gotta be careful with these. So yeah, so there are two hooks right here. Hold on. This one to grab one end, and then the other to grab the other end. Here, let me just adjust it. Okay, so okay, grab one end and then plug in the rest. Plugged in instantly. Good. Didn't make any adjustment to the brace. Any adjustment. It's all there. So yeah, folks. This is how it looks like now. And also, I wasn't even aware of Casio until I started seeing on people's wrists back in elementary school days and saying, what is on these people's wrists? What is this? So yeah, and it did appear in some other films, if I'm familiar with or unfamiliar with. And warranted celebrities. I'll leave you a link in the description box down below for Urban Gentry's review of this version of the watch, including the silver version, talking about it's a high class for blue-collar types that could wear something affordable, this and that. And it was, and also a similarity like this one, but in silver, maybe the early days of the Casio watch. Before it had electroluminescent backlight, the early days had like micro green lights or micro lights that existed way before EL backlight even existed. So it was the early days of LCD backlights. Who knows how it was in those days. And if anybody's seen Planes, Trains, and Automobiles, John Candy's wearing a Casio. And also, actor from, what is it, the Hobbs and Shaw Fast and Furious spin-off movie, and the actor that was the gunslinger in the Dark Tower, and who else did he? He was the cop in Prom Night, the Prom Night remake in 2008, The Losers, and what other films he will later be in the MCU movies. Idris Elba, if I said his name right. He wears a Rolex Datejust Gold, and he wears a particular Casio watch, maybe like this one, and as he has another job being a DJ, so he's got two well-known pieces in his collection. So yeah, you're gonna have to hear it from my buddy, the Urban Gentry. I'll leave you a link in the description box down below. So yeah, and with all that out of the way, folks, let me adjust this and let's get to the music to represent 2012. Like right now, let's go. Alright, folks, before playing the music, I'm going to give two birthday shout-outs. One from my cousin, Geraldo, just turned 31. Happy birthday, cuz. And also to my homeboy, Alzilla09. I know who you are, buddy. Happy early birthday. Oh, what, did I say happy early birthday? No, happy birthday, buddy. Happy birthday to Alzilla. His channel's in the description box down below. Subscribe to his channel. Alrighty, folks, happy birthday to you guys. So, with that, let's play music to represent this timepiece. And with that, let's play a music from an independent rapper named Riff Raff with the hit song Time. Enjoy, folks. That was Riff Raff with Time, released in 2012. So if you like content like this or any other content, please click the bell and the subscribe button to be notified of all new uploads. Like the videos, if you have any opinions, comment down below, and always appreciate the thumbs ups. So let's give a shout out to the watch collectors, the physical media collectors, toy collectors, autograph collectors, and all you collectors out there. And among other things. And I'm also in the YouTube community, and I also post what time I post videos at a certain time. So keep an eye on that. So y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care, God bless you, and enjoy Monday. And catch you on the next vid. Feliz Navidad, y'all. And later.